Welcome to JRMSweeps. Today I have a GE washing machine here that when it's turned on, it only will drain. That's the only cycle that it will go through. And this is the reason why. This piece right here is an electromagnetic little device with a little armature here, and it's stuck open to where now all it's going to do is drain. So we're going to pull this guy out and we're going to replace it with a brand new part here. There is a small little retainer clip or C-clip right here that we need to remove first. Be careful because you don't want to lose this guy. I'm going to put my finger above that. So you need to remove that first, set it aside. I'm going to remove the spring. Two screws that need to be removed. There's a screw here, you can see right back there, and then there's one up at the very top that we're going to remove here. Go ahead and unplug this guy. Remove the two screws holding the piece or the part on. There's one. Pull this guy straight out. You want to hold on to this guy here. We're going to reuse it. Okay, so the part here on the left, this is the old part. I actually took this out a while back and tried to pull this armature piece up and down and lube it, and you can see it's stuck in there pretty good. So you will have to order two parts, this part here, and then I ordered the armature part separately. And you can see that it pulls a magnet and will drain the washing machine, and then whenever it's done, it'll open back up. That spring device will pull that flap shut, and then the washing machine will go through. So now we're just going to reverse the process here. I will put these two parts here in the video description link if you are interested in purchasing them. They cost me about 15-20 bucks a piece. We are ready to install the new piece. Just going to line that up. We're going to put the two screws in. We are ready to install the little flat piece here. And don't forget to put the retainer clip back on. Just want to set that guy just like that, and then take your little flat head, nice and easily just press that guy on there. There you go. Now we're ready to install your spring. Spring goes on the bottom part of the new part, and then on the top part of the flap. So you can see how easily that pulled up. And we'll plug this guy back in. This is what happens. The washing machine will put a current through here. It'll create some kind of magnet pull. It'll open the drain, and then when it's done, it'll release the current, and you can see that it pulls up. Now the washing machine is not stuck on open, and it should cycle through. Thanks for watching.